Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for another edition of Practical Hakka on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是Limbs of Siu, Joseph Lin, along with Alice, and this month, a very simple dialogue that we teach in many different languages, but now in Hakka, that is, long time no see. Yes, how are you? 好久不见，对啊，你好吗？
按久冇看到，
按久冇看到，
错啊，唔好冇，
错啊，好冇，那或许真的很好，因为家里有喜事，比如说孩子们结婚了，有儿子有女儿都结婚了，或者是自己本身当爸爸妈妈了，Maybe you became a parent, maybe your kid at home just got married. So 很好，我儿子结婚了 ，That means very good. My son just got married.
懂好，
懂好。
我来耶，爱结婚嘞。
我来耶，爱结婚嘞。结婚就是结婚嘛。结婚 that means getting married. 我来耶，
来耶，儿子。
来耶，跟他来啊呢。啊，那如果是女儿的话呢？
妹耶。
妹哦，
不是妹，
被讲妹啊。
妹子妹耶。
A son sounds like a pair, and a daughter sounds like kanji, but it actually means son and daughter. All right, 整句很好，我儿子要结婚了。
懂好，我来耶，爱结婚嘞。
懂好，我妹耶，爱结婚嘞。That's daughter.
那儿子、女儿的海陆腔。
哦，好。
来儿，
来儿，
妹儿，
妹儿。A different dialect for saying son and daughter. Now let's say you just became a parent, a dad or a mom, right? 很好，我太太刚生儿子。
懂好，
懂好。
我不用。
我不用。
嘟嘟叫来耶。
嘟嘟用来耶 ，OK， 来耶刚刚解释过了，就是儿子嘛，所以如果是女儿就妹耶，
对
，OK，that's son and daughter。嘟嘟 that means just 刚刚嘛哈 ，just recently。但是你刚刚讲太太怎么说啊？
不娘，
不娘，这是应该娘应该是娘对不对？
对，
不娘不娘哦，OK， 好特别，但是还是有娘这个字有那个意味在了哦。好，所以就是很好，我太太刚生儿子或女儿，再讲一次。
懂好，我不用，嘟嘟叫来耶。
懂好，我不用，嘟嘟叫来耶。
懂好，我不用，嘟嘟叫妹耶。
懂好，我不用，嘟嘟叫妹耶。All right, again, that's one is daughter, one is son. Let's review this dialogue here. 好久不见 long time no see.
按久冇看到。
错啊，好冇。That means yes, how are you? And that does for today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.